Or just straight concrete mender, right on. Take a trowel, move it around into place, just like that. Okay, and we're going to take our aluminum oxide, and I'm just going to do the first part of it here, give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So we're just going to give it a little seating. What this will do is this will drop into the bottom of the coating I put on here and just create a much tougher surface. I don't want to bring it up all the way to the top like this. I want to leave it so it's a little wet on top. And you can actually move this around a bit once you get that aluminum oxide in there. Get an idea. So we'll just trowel it around, trowel it off to refusal, let it come back. But then when you have everything nice and saturated, and you'll have this nice coating. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. Just a coating of concrete mender, and then a dusting of the aluminum oxide, and that should blend in nicely to what we already have there. Leave it a little wet on top. I'm gonna leave this out, hardly coat it over here so you see the difference. And you're gonna see over time it's just gonna fill in here, and then it's gonna turn gray. I'm gonna let the camera run for 10 minutes so you can watch it cure. But I don't want a whole lot of aggregate sticking up the top. I want it nice and coated. And if you want to, if you need to add more liquid, you can, just by doing like that. So if you have any low spots, you can fill it in. But really, it just trowels out just fine. So you'll be able to make your repairs. And this will give that top layer a much tougher finish than the standard sand and concrete mender that we were using before. So. Okay, I'm gonna let that rest for cure for about 10 minutes, and we'll come back to it. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's take a look here. So I think you'll see an idea of how you have a layer of aluminum oxide with concrete mender on top, and that'll wear a lot better after it fully cures everything. Right now it's still kind of in a plastic state, but this is kind of what I'm looking for here. No sand on top that's exposed. Fully encapsulated sand layer. Then we can buff this out here with a grinder, this little lip. That's all. This will be a lot tougher. So.